tutorial. Today topic is the Excel shortcut keys. It is the shortcut key and demo keys are used to utilize your productivity and ability to shine your skills and how to save your time, how to save work in a less time, much work. This video is very useful to the maintaining Excel and basic to advanced levels. So many videos is coming with this Excel topic. Please subscribe our VGR tutorial. Please subscribe, share and VGR tutorial. Our old channel is the TechDude8481. Please subscribe, please say thank you once again. Your VGR tutorial. Hi, hello, VGR tutorials. AI technologies and this tutorial, so many software videos and networking videos. Please subscribe our VGR tutorial part. Excel keyboard shortcuts is the 239 shortcuts is the now I will explain one by one. This is the shortcut keys are must be pressed together with the shown like a Control plus B and Alt H plus AC. Now generally, worksheets and the workbook ribbon and drag and drop is a navigation purpose. Active cell is a selection purpose. Extended selection, selected special. Cell editing, entering data, forming, number of formatting, borders and formulas and rows and columns. Poverty table, dialog box. This much is the going on this main utilizing this Excel sheets. Now let us start. You can take help in Excel. Open F1 press and you can undo last action to Control Z. Redo last the Control Y and copy selection is a Control C. Repeat last F4 and custom selection. Cut selection is a Control X. Paste content for clipboard Control V. Display the paste special dialog box Control Alt V. Display find replace find the tab Control F. Display find replace with tab selected Control H. Find previous match after Intel find Control Shift F4. Find next match after Intel find Shift and F4. Interesting embedded chart is Alt plus F1 at a time press keyboard. Insert chart new sheet F11. Toggle auto filter is Control Shift L. Active filter Alt plus down arrow. Create a table Alt plus Control plus T. Select table row Shift plus space. Select table column Control plus space. Select table when active cell is in table. Control A. Clear slide filter. Alt plus C runs spell check F10. Open treasurer Shift plus F7. Open macro. Dialog box Alt plus F8. Open VBP editor. Alt F11. Duplicate object Control plus D. Snap grid Alt. Hide or show object Control plus 6 at a time. Press 2 keys, both keys. Open modify cell dialog box Alt plus hyphen. Show right click menu Shift plus F10. Display control menu Alt plus space. Insert an networking sheet Shift plus F11. Go to next worksheet Control plus page down and go to previous worksheet Control plus page up arrow at a time press. Rename current worksheets Alt plus O plus H R. Delete current worksheet Alt plus E comma L. Move current worksheet Alt plus E comma M. Move between worksheets ribbon task span and zoom control F6. Otherwise Shift plus F6. Select edit worksheets Control Shift page up and downs. Select non-editing worksheets Control click. Toggle scrolling lock, scroll lock. Toggle full screen Control Shift plus F1 plus at a time 3 keys. Print Control P. Open print preview window Control F2. Set print area Alt P comma RS. clear print area, Alt P, comma R C. Zoom in, control mouse wheel up. Zoom out, control mouse wheel down. Protect sheet, Alt R, comma PS. Create new workbook, control plus N at a time, press keyboard. Open workbook, control plus O. Save workbook, control plus S. Save as F12. Go to next workbook, control tab. Go to previous workbook, control shift tab. Minimize current workbook windows, control F9. Maximum current workbook windows, control F10. Protect workbook, Alt R, comma P, comma W. Close current workbook, control F9. Close Excel, Alt F9. Expand the close up ribbons, control F1. Active access key, Alt. Move through ribbon tab and groups. Up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow. Active or open selected space or enter. Confirm, control change, enter. Get help on selected, control F1. Drag and cut, drag and copy, control drag and insert, shift drag and insert, copy, control shift drag to worksheet, alt drag to duplicate work, control plus drag. Move one cell right arrow, move one cell left arrow, move one cell up arrow, move one cell down arrow. Move on screen right, alt page up. Move on screen right, alt page down. Move on screen left, alt plus page up. Move on screen up, page up. Move on screen down, page down. Move right edge, data region. Control plus right arrow. Move left edge to data region. Control left arrow. At that time press. Move to top edge and data region. Control plus up arrow. Move one button edge to data region. Control down arrow. Move beginning row. Home button press. Move last cell worksheet and data. Control and end. Move first cell in worksheet. Control and home. Turn and move mode on. End. Select active cell when multiple cells already selected. Shift plus backspace. Show active cell worksheet. Control backspace. Move active cell clockwise. Corner selected. Control plus dot at a time. Move active cell down selection. Wrap to next column. Enter. Move active cell in the selection. Wrap to previous column. Move active cell right. Tab. Move active cell left selection, wrap to previous, shift plus tab. Select entire row, shift plus space. Select entire column, shift plus space. Select current region worksheet. Press again, select entire worksheet is control plus A. Expand selection, shift plus click. Add non adjust cell and selection, control plus click. Toggle add selected mode, shift plus F8. Exit add selection mode, access. Extended selector, shift plus right arrow. Extended selector left, shift plus right. Extended selection up, shift plus up. Extended selection down, shift plus down. Extended selection last cell right to content data. Control shift plus right arrow. Extended selection last cell on the left that content data. Control shift plus left arrow at a time. Extended selection last cell up. Control shift plus up arrow, press 3 keys at a time in your keyboard. Extended selection last cell down that content data. Next cell to content data to last row. Control shift down. Extended selection of the screen. Shift plus page down. Extended selection down on screen, shift plus page down. Extended selection right one screen, alt shift page down. Extended selection left on screen, Alt and Shift page down. Extended selection start of rows, Shift plus home. Extended selection first selection worksheet, Control Shift home. Extended selection last cell worksheet, Control Shift A. And press T keys at a time in your keyboard. Toggle extended selection mode F8. Cancel extended selection mode escape. Display to go dialog box, Control G, otherwise F10 single key. Select cell with comment, Control Shift plus O. Select current region around active cell, Control Shift plus star. At a time press 3 keys in your keyboard. Select current region, Control plus A. Select direction precedent, Control flower bracket. At a time press keyboard. Select precedent, Control Shift plus flower brackets. Select direct depend, Control plus bracket. Select all dependent, Control Shift flower bracket. Select visible cell only, Alt plus icon. Select edit active cell F9. Insert edit comment, Shift F2. Delete comment, Shift F10 comma M. Cancel edit escape. Select one character right, Shift plus right arrow. Select character left and Shift plus left arrow. Move on the word right, Control plus right arrow. Move on the one word left, Control plus left arrow. Select one word on right, Control Shift plus right arrow. Select one word is the left, Control Shift plus left arrow. Select begin cell, Shift plus home. Select in cell, Shift plus end. Delete in file, Control plus delete. Delete character of left of cursor. Backspace. Delete character to right of cursor. Delete. Start new line in the same cell. Alt plus enter. Enter data, move down the enter data and move up in the Shift plus enter data, move in right tab, enter data, move in left, Shift plus tab, enter data, stay in same cell, Control and plus enter same data multiple cell. After copy, then select cell, enter. Insert current data, Control and plus icon. Insert current at Control plus Shift plus colon. Fill down from cell number, Control plus D. Fill right from cell on left, Control plus right. Copy formula cell label, Control plus icon. Copy value for cell label, Control Shift colon. Insert hyperlink, Control plus K. Display count complete list. Alt plus arrow, flash fill, Control E. Display from cell with from front tab, Control plus 1. Format cell, Control plus 1. Display format cell with front tab selected, Control Shift plus F. Apply remove bold, Control plus B. Apply remove italic, Control plus A. Apply remove underscore, Control plus U. Apply remove stricken through, Control 5. Align center, Alt H comma A C. Align left, Alt H A L. Align right, Alt H A R. Indent, Alt plus H comma 6. Remove indent, Alt plus H comma 5. War wrap text, Alt comma H comma W. Align top, Alt comma H comma A T. Align middle, Alt plus H comma A M. Align bottom, Alt plus H comma AB. Increase the font size one step, Alt plus H comma FG. Decreasing font size one step, Alt plus H comma FK. Apply general format, Control Shift colon. Apply number from Shift from icon. Apply time format, Control Shift at thread. Apply date format, Control Shift hash. Apply current format, Control Shift dollar. Apply present format, Control Shift percentage. Apply scientific format, Control Shift greater than Open list border style from ribbon alt H comma B. Add border around selected cell. Control Shift plus and add remove right border alt plus H comma B or add remove left border alt plus H comma BL. Add remove top border alt plus H comma BP. Add remove bottom border alt plus H comma BO. Uh, Add all borders to tell cell selections alt H comma B A. Remove borders. Control Shift plus minus. Beginning enter formula is equal to or plus toggle absolutely relevant reference F4. Open then set dialog box shift plus 3. Auto sum alt plus is equal to toggle display formulas and on and off control hyphen insert function agreement control shift plus a press at a time in your keyboard 3 keys calculate worksheet F9 element part of formula in cell edit F9 expanded collapse formula bar control shift plus U display function agreement dialog box control plus a open name as control F43 create name from value in row or column control shift F3 paste name into formula F3 accept function autocomplete tab display dialog was control plus insert selected number of rows control plus insert number of columns control plus display delete dialog box control plus hyphen delete selected number of rows control plus hyphen delete select number of columns control plus hyphen delete content selected cell delete hidden column control plus O hide rows control plus 9 unhide rows control shift plus 9 group rows columns alt shift right arrow group rows columns with rows column selected alt shift plus left arrow open group box alt shift right arrow open ungroup dialog box alt shift plus left arrow add show outline control plus 8 create poverty table alt plus n comma b select enter poverty table control plus a group poverty table items alt plus shift plus right arrow group poverty table items alt shift plus left arrow idle filters of poverty table items control plus hyphen hide clear filters on poverty table alt plus h comma sc insert poverty alt plus n comma s z c move to next control tab move to previous control shift plus tab move to next tab control tab move to previous tab control shift tab accept apply and tag check and check box space cancel and close dialog box